Do you want to make your living space stylish, trendy, and beautiful? This video is for you.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, hit the like button if you like the video so far.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Do you want to design your space like a pro? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. Visit our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.